Just simply decorate. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail. Mocktail name is Khush Island. Very simple mocktail you can try. First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze on lemon. Fresh lemon you have to squeeze. Okay. After that you have to add 10 ml of kacham syrup, and you have to add 15 to 20 ml of khush syrup. That's it. You have to 15 to 20 ml of khush syrup you have to pour. Then simply just shake all the ingredients. Okay. Then take any type of fancy glass and just pour all the ingredients. That's it. Then simply with the help of bar spoon you have to pour the limca. This is the Khush Island. That's it. See how the fancy color came for this mocktail. Refreshment mocktail you can try. Then simply serve with one straw and garnish with lemon slices, lemon slice, and you can garnish with on garnish umbrella so that the mocktail will look good. Just simply decorate the mocktail. So this is the Khush Island mocktail. Very simple refreshment mocktail you can try. I hope you like this refreshment Khush syrup based mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.